What's up everybody? My name is Chastin J. Miles, and for those of you who don't know me, I am a real estate agent and investor here in Dallas, Texas. I actually do a lot of stuff, but those are the two that are relevant to this video. And I just wanted to take a moment and show y'all my new investment property that I just got. It needs a lot of work, and I actually want some opinions on some things that I should do. So I have some samples of tiles, and I'm gonna kind of show you what I'm planning on doing with this house. You can let me know if some of my ideas are good, if you think that'll work well or not. I just scooped this one up. Probably gonna make this one a rental, but still, I know some people when they do rentals, they don't really put a lot of work into them and stuff like that, but it's my house, and so I kind of still want it to look a little decent. So this home, it was built in like the 40s, so it's super old. It has a lot of potential. As I'm taking you through this, like obviously this is the main living room area. It's not really a big size. What I plan on doing is actually, I want to blow this wall out, because on the other side of this wall is actually the kitchen, you know, make it more open. Like I said, it's closed off, so pretty much what I want to do, like this whole wall, you can't even really see my marker, but I want to knock this out, like just bam, knock it out. Like you can kind of see behind it, it's this like funky wallpaper that was on there before, and I don't even know. It's like a picture or something. But come along around this corner. The kitchen, it's kind of small. It's one of those galley kitchens, and obviously it needs a lot of work. So all of this is gonna go. Knock all of that out. Knock this wall out right here. This will open up into the living room. All new cabinets. And I actually want to, so this is a door that goes into what's gonna be the laundry area. What I wanna do is take this door and move this door over here where this window is, so that way I can extend the cabinets over here, because this home, for one, the cabinets are small. Secondly, there's no dishwasher, and so I need to be able to add a dishwasher. The refrigerator is gonna be a lot bigger than what's there right now, and so I need to pretty much move all of this over. This is the bathroom. As they say, this will be totally gutted. Gonna change this tub to a shower, move the toilet over to that side, so that way on this side I can have dual vanities. So 2 vanities, mirrors, new lights, new walls, new floors, everything. And then the other big modification is the master bedroom. So I'm going into the master bedroom right now. They have like 2 closets going on here. One of the closets is a little larger, so you can kind of walk in it and go over here. I'm not gonna go in it because it's a little scary. And then there's this other one. What I thought about last night was doing the farm style door, so the door where you can just slide it open. And I think that's what I'm probably gonna do. So these are my options for the flooring. So it's a wood style floor. I like them. I mean, now that I'm seeing them here, I'm probably more so liking one of these two. It could go either way. So this one is gonna go all in here in the living room, and it will also go down the hall leading to the bedrooms. And I'm probably gonna do it in the kitchen too. I just want everything to look uniform. You know how you go in those homes sometimes and there's like one floor here and then a tile here and then another floor there? I don't really wanna do all of that. And so I'm gonna do carpets in the bedroom, and I'm thinking just the wood everywhere else. And y'all actually got this stuff from Floor and Decor. We have a design center here in Dallas. You know, a lot of this stuff is at. So let's go into the bathroom right quick, because I want to take you there and show you what I'm planning on doing in the bathroom. I'm thinking this tile, which it's pretty similar to the existing tile that's down there. Taking all of this yellow and blue and all that stuff out, replacing it with the white tile. That's what it'll be here, and possibly even on the sink side. Okay, I'm not gonna do the same design that's in here right now. It will be a full built-in shower. This will be the shower tile. That's what I'm planning on doing here. So for the kitchen, thinking this type of tile that's gonna go here, and it'll go here, and it'll go a lot higher because we're gonna be raising everything up. Have that all in the kitchen here. I'll do an island. It'll look really good with that bright wood floor. Get some can lighting. in throughout the whole house and the hallways. It'll look really good. And in the laundry room, it doesn't look anything like it's going to look, but I want to do this tile on the floor of the laundry room, and this is gonna be a laundry room, washer and dryer over here, you know, just kind of a laundry area you can fold clothes at or something. And then along this wall, since we are moving that door, all of this is going to be, I'm gonna line it with cabinets to dub as the pantry. All new windows, so I'm gonna be taking away all of these windows in here. Right now you see it's just boarded up, and I'm gonna make it a part of the house. This is gonna be a project. I mean, it'll probably take me around 6 to 8 weeks or so. All new floors, all new walls, new tile on the fireplace, new lighting. Oh yeah, look, I gotta get rid of that popcorn ceiling up there. I really like this mantle, so I'm gonna keep this, but I don't like this. And so I'm gonna retile that and stuff. But again, these windows are pretty big. They're just in horrible shape, and they'll let in a lot of light. So I gotta get new windows.
It would be cool, like a solid window, like the California style.
Just like the big glass.
Just the big glass.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, I actually like that a lot. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get rid of the ceiling fan and that light up there, and just add in like can lights throughout here on into the kitchen. Those baseboards gotta go, but I'm gonna do these solid baseboards that'll probably come up to like right here. So they'll be the high baseboards. So I'm gonna get those down there. Sheetrock all of this. Like all this will be sheetrock. Bust this whole wall out. And so from the other side, what you'll see, like it's pretty much gonna come across here, kind of like a bar area, but on the other side of there is going to be the stove and all that kind of stuff, but it'll come out like a bar. What may happen is on the other side, do it like an L shape and do an island here, which I'm kind of going back and forth with those two things. The crown molding, that's the name, crown molding. All the doors are pretty good. We just got to repaint them and stuff. For this room, I'm going to get some staging, because this room is kind of small, so I'm not going to stage like an office, but there will be carpet in all of the bedrooms, and obviously I got to get that out of here, recarpet the closet, so all this will be, and then I'm actually going to take out the crown molding in all of these rooms and just make it, you know, just like a wall to ceiling. This room, this is a door that goes outside, which I kind of like, so I'm going to keep this door. I mean, not this specific door, but redo it. And so like this was obviously an addition that they did, but I'm gonna redo it and make it look like part of the house. So it won't look like it was an addition. And then that will be the garage door. So I picked up this property probably around a week ago. Someone hit me up about an investment deal. I came out to the property, I would say about 30 minutes later after they hit me up. And I was under contract that next, like within that hour, because I only had that hour window. This real estate market is very competitive, so when you stumble upon deals, you gotta be ready to move on them. You know, I think it was a great investment. The bones of this house are really good. Obviously, there's some stuff I need to do on the outside to make the exterior. And so be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet so that you get notified. Oh, you gotta hit the bell icon too, I think. Hit the bell icon when you subscribe so that you get notified when I release another video, because you'll get to see, I mean, this is day one today, and then you'll get to see me throughout the whole journey of flipping this house and remodeling it and all of that stuff. So thank you for rocking with me. Again, I'm Chastin J. Miles, and I will talk to you soon.